Welcome students. In this lecture, I am going to discuss how to find the particular integral of non-homogeneous linear differential equation of particular type. Suppose right hand side of this equation is sin ax plus b or cos ax plus b, then particular integral is 1 by f of d square sin ax plus b is equal to 1 by f of minus a square sin ax plus b, provided f of minus a square. So this is nothing but just wherever d square you replace by minus a square. That is, so just I can write separately, that is wherever d square just you replace minus a square. That's all. You don't disturb and other terms of d like that. If you have d cube, we can split this into d square into d. Okay. So whenever d square, we want to put minus a square. This is the rule for if this form sin ax plus b or cos ax plus b to find the particular integral. If denominator is 0, if you are substituting d square equal to a square minus a square, uh, then particular integral is 1 by f of d square sin ax plus b equal to x by f dash of minus uh, a square sin ax plus b. That is, you want to differentiate one time denominator with respect to d. After that, you replace again d square equal to minus a square. Similarly, we need to continue until denominator should not be 0. Okay, for example, I will solve this problem. So solve d cube minus 3d square plus 4d minus 2 into y equal to e power x plus cos x. Okay, already I discussed how to find the complementary function in the previous lecture. Okay, I'm going to discuss now particular integral only. So particular integral is of the form 1 by f of d into right hand side function, that is I written q of x. Q of x is nothing but e power x plus cos x. So f of t is nothing but d cube minus 3d square plus 4d minus 2. I factor this, I factorize into d minus 1 d square minus 2d plus 2 into e power x plus, and also I am writing so the same factor into d minus 1 d square minus 2d plus 2 into cos x. So e power x is, this is the first type. So first type, suppose the right hand side function q equal to e power ax, then you should replace wherever d square d, you can put just a. So that is d equal to a. Okay, denominator not equal to 0. So in this term, I am replacing wherever d and d square is, here a equal to 1. So therefore, I will write here 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 2 into e power x. But if you are seeing the first one, 1 by d minus 1, this is the, if I am substituting d equal to 1, it will be 0. Therefore, we can use the formula. So what is our formula? So if the roots is repeated r times, then our formula is x power r by r factorial. Already I know, we know that. So here r equal to 1. R equal to 1. So plus, so in the second one, the cos x. Okay, here cos x, the procedure is, so in general, it will be cos ax plus b. Just here a equal to 1, that's all. A equal to 1 and b equal to 0. So we will get cos x. Okay, so a equal to 1. So in this term, wherever d square I want to replace, that is d square equal to minus a square. Here a is nothing but 1 square. So I can rewrite d cube d into d square. So d square, I am putting d square equal to minus 1 square minus 3, again d square we have minus 1 square plus 4d minus 2. Okay, so here I am using the formula, in this formula, therefore I am getting the first term. In the second time, just you simplify this, we will get 1 by 3d plus 1 into cos x. Okay, I am not disturbing here d term. So next I want to proceed. So here I am multiplying numerator and denominator to the conjugate. So what is your conjugate? So 3d plus 1, the conjugate is 3d minus 1. So I am multiplying numerator and denominator. So therefore we will get, so 3d minus 1 by 9d square minus 1. Okay. So here in denominator, again you can replace d square equal to minus 1 square. So we will get, so first time as it is already I discussed. So in the second term, so here minus 9. Okay, so minus 1 square. It is not minus 1 whole square. So just it is minus 1 square. D square value is minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 into 9. So minus 9. So already we have minus 1. So therefore I will get minus 10. So you can also just you write this minus d square is minus 1. Okay, so don't put here, don't confuse with square here. Just you write d square is minus 1. That's all. So we will get x into e power x minus 1 by 10, 3d minus 1 cos x, x e power x minus 1 by 10. Sorry, here just 3d minus 1. Just to multiply with cos x here inside. 3d cos x minus cos x. Okay, so minus, how we are coming minus? So your d, so 3d cos x. So 3d cos x, here d means you want to differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, if you are differentiating cos x, we will get minus sin x. Already we have 3. So therefore, I am writing here minus 3 sin x. Here we have minus and multiply with 1, we will get cos x. So therefore, our answer is x e power x plus, so just you take minus and we will write here 1 by 10, 3 sin x plus cos x. So this is the particular integral. So therefore, we can write the general solution. So we know the, just if you are finding the complementary function, we will get the roots. So here we have one pair of roots are complex and another one root is real. Therefore, I can write c1 e power x plus e power x, c2 cos x plus c3 sin x plus the particular integral x into e power x plus 1 by 10, 3 sin x plus cos x. Okay, so this is the procedure of this type. Thank you.